NASA's Curiosity rover captures an image with ancient tree stump on red planet Mars. As per what NASA described, the image was captured by Mastcam on board NASA's Mars rover Curiosity on Sol 1647 in March this year. The search for extraterrestrial life has been going on for years, and those involved in alien hunting, or UFO hunting, have on many occasions come close enough to provide evidence justifying their presence. The Martian terrain has always been the center of attention for UFO hunters for possible alien sightings. Since scientists are monitoring the planet's surface fervently with the help of rovers, which will aid them in deep space exploration missions, the images sent in by NASA's Curiosity rover are thoroughly scrutinized by these UFO hunters, who claim to have unearthed several evidences of alien presence on the red planet. So, it was no surprise when reports of alien hunters claiming to have discovered photographic evidence that Mars may have had green vegetation at some point of time surfaced. The Curiosity rover on Sol 164 snapped an image which showcases what looks like an ancient tree stump, about 3 feet high on Mars. First published in a video by YouTube user Paranormal Crucible, NASA later released the image recently. As per what NASA described, the image was captured by Mastcam on board NASA's Mars rover Curiosity on Sol 1647 in March this year. Many believe it might be many of the rocks discovered on the planet. However, others feel that it could prove that life was present at some point of time, the Deccan Chronicle reported. In another video posted on YouTube, claimed to have found evidence of lakes of standing water surrounded by trees on the surface of Mars in images taken by NASA's Mars Global Surveyor. The YouTube channel, What's Up in the Sky 37, is dedicating to scouring NASA images for evidence of alien life. Using images taken by the Mars Orbiter camera on the Mars Global Surveyor, Will Farrer, who runs the channel from his home in Salisbury, Maryland, said he believed they showed an abundance of water that could support alien life. In the description for the video, Will Farrer, who runs the channel, said, "We now have more than 5 or 6 very good shots from the air that seem to show frozen or warm water lakes sitting on the Martian surface. This has never been addressed by NASA since we are still looking for these minuscule traces of life and water. I ask you to use your judgment on this one. What does this look like to you?" However, despite the claims, NASA said it has yet to find any evidence for significant levels of liquid water on Mars. There is growing evidence that the planet was once rich in liquid water that shaped valleys, canyons and even dried out ocean beds before it evaporated billions of years ago. There are, however, hopes that water ice may exist in craters close to the poles and perhaps buried deep under the surface in the Martian soil.